Are you new to sales and you want to know some of the sales training basics that beginners have to master in order to have a lucrative career? Now, here are 2 sales training basics that'll make it much easier for you and ensure that you're successful. Requirement number 1 is it's belief. Nothing matters if you don't believe in what you're doing. Sales can be difficult, and so you've got to have some belief that things are going to get easier, faster, better, more profitable. You've got to listen, take notes, put things into action, and believe. Without belief, then you'll never be able to get what you want. Put your belief in people that have made it and are willing to help you. People that'll help you succeed, not in those that haven't made it to where you want to get to. There's a lot of doubt in the world. People hear things and they doubt that it's going to work. They doubt that anybody's really done it. You're going to hear some things that you may not believe will work. You're going to hear me say that when you need to get a name and a number and an email from every person that you want to sell something to, you might wonder why I would have you do that. But what if I told you that your chances of selling that same person that didn't buy from you the first time has a 70% chance of buying from you if you can get them back in? And I'll help you get them back in. But if you have never followed up with an unsold customer before, you probably wouldn't believe it. It also involves saying the right things to get those unsold customers back in. But you'll never find out if you don't believe it and try it. And having belief requires confidence. But how do you get confidence? Knowledge. You've got to have knowledge. And you get knowledge 2 different ways: education and experience. Education is watching this video, reading a book. Experience comes from doing it. That's how you get confidence, and then you acquire belief. No matter where you're at in life or what you're doing, if you want to be truly successful, you've got to have belief. That's the number 1 thing that determines how well you'll do in this industry. You've got to believe that you can do this. Without belief, failure is inescapable. So let's move on to requirement number 2. Give value. You've got to take care of your customers and your prospective customers. Treat everybody like they have money. Now, you want to know how most people approach their customers? They assume each customer is going to be a one and done. That means they assume the customer will buy now or never. Meaning they try to sell the customer right now, but once that customer leaves, they're done. Which is too bad for salespeople that think buyers are one and done, because like I mentioned earlier, a customer that leaves and comes back is almost 4 times as likely to buy when they come back. That means they're much easier to sell. Many of us learn that you should give it all you've got when you first meet your customer. Wine them, dine them, ride them, close them. If you can, that's great. But it's not okay to force somebody into buying something that they weren't ready for, or they didn't really want. It is okay to treat everybody like a buyer. You should treat them like a buyer because everyone is a buyer. You should give it all you've got. But some people just aren't ready to buy on their first visit. And that's okay. They really need to think about what they're getting into. Do they like you? Do they trust you? Do they want to do business with you and with the business that you're working at? People don't want the pushing, shoving kind of selling. Customers don't like it. But you know who else doesn't like it? You. And so you don't do it. But what do? You have to take care of your customers today. That's the way we sell now. You have to offer value before most people will buy. Everybody is trying to convert their prospects into customers immediately. Sometimes it works, but most of the time it doesn't work. The average salesman only sells about 15 to 20% of the people that they talk to every day. Why is that? You haven't built enough value in the product, in your dealership or yourself. People show up not knowing you, not liking you, not trusting you. It can take time. That's why I create these videos, my newsletters, my follow-up emails, my blog. I have to build value with people first. Eventually, if you see enough value in me, you'll make a purchase from me. The motorcycle and automotive businesses and many other industries, they've got low closing ratios. 80% of the customers leave without buying. They want to think about it, shop around, check with other people. That's where you have to continue giving value to those that didn't buy. Because if you're good enough, half of them will come back. That's if you nurture them with good follow-up. People still want what you have to sell them. They just weren't ready to buy from you today, but if you take care of them, you'll likely have more chances to sell them. Something else to think about is acquiring new customers. It's not easy, but if you take care of the ones that didn't buy from you, along with the ones that did buy from you, you'll find that they're so much easier to sell something to during the second visit. You can't expect people to automatically convert into a sold customer. We know that the average power sports buyer, they begin researching their purchase at least 30 days to 6 months before they make a decision. So in order to follow up with everybody, you need their name, number, email address, and a physical address at times, because they will likely buy from you, but only if you continue creating and giving them some value. The easiest way, and what I would do, is use a follow-up schedule so I know when I'm going to contact everybody and exactly what I'm going to say. Because you can't just randomly call your unsold customers up and puke all over them with whatever comes out of your mouth. It doesn't work. Using a good schedule will give you indicators of the best time and how to contact everybody, and that's why it's important to get everybody's complete contact information. Name, number, email address, maybe their physical address. Then, as long as you have permission, you can text them, send them a video, articles, a link to check out your Facebook page to see all your happy customers and all your cool articles on there. And of course, put them on your newsletter list. Build value. Those are just a few ways to build value. If you follow these tips, you're going to be better off and you're going to convert more of your prospects into buyers. And instead of having that the 80% that disappear and they never show up again, you'll have like 50% of them converting into customers. That's a lot of money. We're out of time now, but if you like this video, then please click like. If you have any comments or questions, then just post them down below. Make sure you let me know any other videos that you'd like me to create. And if you want more tools and tips like this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be releasing more videos soon that cover more tools that can help boost your income, as well as tips that'll take you to the top a lot faster. And if you want some personalized sales coaching, then check out my class, The Perfect Way to Sell.